In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create an audio file and add it, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on microphone to start recording and use the same button to stop. Listen to your message and hit attach when you're ready. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files and click on Audio at the top here to find it. Look for it in one of those apps, or what most people miss, click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources to find it. Either way, click on it to attach it. If you wanna add a video one, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Select your video here and tap on it to add it, or if you can't find it, hit Folders, look for it here and click on it as well. If you wanna record it and add it, use the same icon one last time. Tap on those two arrows at the top left corner of tiny camera, top right one, sorry. Switch to video at the bottom. Use all of those options however you want to and start recording. When you finished, your video will be automatically attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!